Hi, I'm Mr. Baglio, and I wanted to show you what is in the first of our engineering kits. So this is the engineering kit that you will get. This is the physical computing and electronics kit. There will be another kit that comes later. Let's see what's inside. So all the kits come in this plastic clamshell. It should say physical computing starter pack. It will have your name here. If you ever want to look for ideas, it's from this company called electrify.it. And I designed this kit with a colleague that I know from California. Let's open it up. Inside there is a description of this thing called the Bit Buddy, which is the red board here. The thing on top is a microbit, which is the brains of the operation. It's a microcontroller. These holes are all places that you can attach things. They come with these 3D printed feet. So there's a groove here in each side. When it is sitting in the grooves, it can stand up on its own. Also in the kit, you get a double-ended Sharpie, which is good for labeling things. One of the things you should do early on is label your Bit Buddy and label your screwdriver. You get a small screwdriver. There are some things that need unscrewing. It has both a flat head tip and a Phillips head tip and a pocket clip. There's also this bag inside. And in the bag are a bunch of extra craft type materials that we'll be using to make projects. There's an ID badge holder, which you can use to put the microbit and Bit Buddy inside and attach it to yourself. There's a rubber band, a strip of felt that you can also use as a wristband or as part of a wearable electronics project. There is a green and also a red large 10mm LED light. There's googly eyes for part of the craft project. There's a clip that goes with the name badge holder. A couple large rubber bands, non-latex, some thumb screws in case you want to replace these with thumb screws that you can undo easily with your hands. No tool needed. Inside here, there's some additional electronics. Specifically, there's a battery pack, an additional battery pack for the microbit. There's already a battery on there. It has a coin cell battery, but for some things we need additional power. There's a USB cord, and there's two AAA batteries that go in the battery pack. Oh, never have enough googly eyes. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the first of the kits you'll get this year.